Welcome to Talk of the Town. On today's episode, we're bringing you special coverage of the highly anticipated film PK. That's right, we're going into the press conference to hear the story behind the story from none other than Aamir Khan himself. But before we do that, let's take a look at one of the songs from the movie. Here's Tarki Chokro. Did you like the video? Well, I'm sure you know by now that PK is not your typical character. So let's find out a little bit more about PK and hear from Aamir himself about how he prepared to play such a unique role.
He's a very unusual character, PK, and very innocent. He's a little strange looking, a bit Chaplin-esque, I would say. That was my biggest challenge, to get into the head of the character. One is that, I've popped my ears out. So my ears are on the bigger side and they do pop out. But we kind of exaggerated it and really made the ears pop out. I use green lenses. I don't. One of the characteristics we've kept is that he doesn't move his hands much. So when he's running or something, or walking or running, his hands are right by his side. A natural process of movement of hand doesn't take place with him. These are some of the physicalities. I don't blink in the film. This character, by and large, predominantly doesn't blink. Of course, he's a Bhojpuri speaking person, which you would have gathered by now from the dialogues. Bhojpuri expert with me, Shanti Bhushan, and he would speak out each line. And then I would write it phonetically. So I started that process 4 months before we began shooting.
Learning a new accent and not blinking, just a few more things to add to an already impressive resume. Aamir Khan is constantly reinventing himself. When asked how he selects his projects, here's what he had to say.
कहानी सुनता हूँ, जब मैं स्क्रिप्ट सुनता हूँ, तो मेरे मन में कोई प्री-डिटर्मिन्ड थॉट्स नहीं होते. मैं अक्सर अपने डायरेक्टर से कहता हूँ कि आप मुझे कहानी के बारे में बैकग्राउंड मत दीजिए, आप सिर्फ मुझे कहानी सुनाइए. आई डोंट वांट टू नो एनीथिंग व्हाट यू हैव रिटन. तो जब वो कहानी सुनाते हैं उस वक्त मैं ऑडियंस होता हूँ. जिस तरह आप फिल्म देखते हैं उस तरह मैं उस वक्त टोटली क्लीन स्लेट होता है मेरा माइंड. आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू एक्सपेक्ट, और मैं कहानी सुनता हूँ एज एन ऑडियंस. तो उस वक्त जब कहानी का असर मुझ पर होता है जज्बाती तौर पे, जब मुझे हंसी आती है, रोना आता है और मैं कहानी के साथ फ्लो करता हूँ, कहानी ख़त्म होते ही मुझे लगता है कि वाह मज़ा आ गया, तब मुझे लगता है कि मुझे ये फिल्म करनी है. वो कहानी इट रियली टच्ड माई हार्ट, सो आई वांटेड टू डू इट. सो आई जस्ट फॉलो माई हार्ट एंड आई फॉलो what, as a creative person, I feel like doing.
A movie is nothing without its director, and the force behind PK is none other than Rajkumar Hirani, churning out hit after hit. From Munna Bhai with Sanjay Dutt to Three Idiots with Aamir Khan, he's merged his two actors together in PK. Let's hear what Aamir has to say about his experience working with Rajkumar Hirani on PK.
I'm really excited, to once again work with Raju, because for me, he's the #1 director that we have today in our film industry. He's someone जो बहुत अच्छे लेखक भी हैं. उनकी सोच बहुत गहरी है, बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत फ्रेश है. उनका एक अलग नज़रिया है हर चीज़ देखने का. उनका एक अलग सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है हर चीज़ देखने का. और इसके साथ साथ वो बहुत ही कमाल के इंसान हैं. तो वाकई बड़ा मज़ा आता है उनके साथ काम करने का. तो ये फिल्म दरअसल मेरे लिए इट्स टोटली राजूज फिल्म, लाइक थ्री इडियट्स वाज इंटायरली राजूज फिल्म. अगर आप मुझे इस फिल्म से हटा दें तो फिल्म ऐसी की ऐसी रहेगी. कोई भी अच्छा एक्टर अगर राजू लेके काम करते हैं तो उनको फिल्म यही रहती. राजू को आप हटा दीजिए तो ये फिल्म ही नहीं है.
Aamir Khan is widely regarded as Mr. Perfectionist, but let's hear from him how he feels about this title.
I think the media here in India, or at least in Bombay, did not know how to slot me. They like to slot people with titles, and I think they didn't know how to slot me, and they kind of gave me this title. I don't think I'm a perfectionist. I don't think anyone is perfect. In fact, I think that a lot of the times our beauty lies in our imperfections. I'm certainly someone who enjoys my work and I love doing what I do. And there is a desire in me to do as best as I can.
PK. PK. PK? Makes me think of someone drinking rum and getting tipsy. But is that really the story behind his name? Amir, can you tell us?
Actually, he's a person who does not consume alcohol. In fact, in one of the promos, अनुष्का की लाइन भी है कि उसने शराब की एक बूंद तक नहीं पी, लेकिन फिर भी उसका नाम था PK. So he actually doesn't drink, but his name is PK, as it turns out. Yeah.
Now that we've heard Amir's version, let's hear what Anushka has to say about the name in the song Nanga Punga Dost.
One more! उस दोस्त के लिए जिसने एक बूंद तक नहीं पी, पर उसका नाम PK.
भागी भागी जिंदगी रे पीछे पीछे मैं चली रे नई राही नए नए मोड़ अनजानी गली में मिला आवारा सा बंजारा सा टिंगा टिंगा नंगा पुंगा दोस्त.
Not just an actor and a producer, Amir Khan is also an activist. He showed the world that media and social change can go hand in hand. Let's hear from him what keeps him motivated.
I think it's the excitement I feel and the joy that I feel in touching people's hearts. That's what I enjoy doing. I enjoy being part of stories. I enjoy, making people laugh, cry, inspiring, hopefully inspire them, move them in different ways. These are things that's what I love doing. And as long as I enjoy myself, I would find that I would continue to do hopefully what I'm doing. I don't think so much ahead, the kind of person I am, I live in the present. I don't really plan ahead. I don't plan ahead as to what I would like to do. Things happen organically with me. For example, the TV show is something that was growing in my head, slowly over time. And then over time, it kind of finally took the shape of this TV show, Satyameva Jayate. So I don't really plan ahead. So it's difficult for me to say what lies ahead for me. It's a little difficult for me to say that.
It's rare to find a celebrity who's achieved so much success and fame remain so humble. Let's hear from Amir how long he plans to stay in the game.
वो कहना मुश्किल है कि मैं कब तक excited रहूँगा, कब तक मेरे अंदर creativity जागृत रहेगी, alive रहेगी, वो कहना मुश्किल है क्योंकि हम सब के अंदर जो energies हैं, मतलब दुनिया में कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं है जो unlimited है. तो लिहाजा हर चीज़ का एक लिमिट होता है और वो लिमिट क्या है वो मैं खुद नहीं जानता. जब वो पल आएगा तब मुझे एहसास होगा. जैसे एक बहुत ही फेमस कोट है नवरात्रिलोवा का शायद, उनसे किसी ने पूछा कि आपने टेनिस खेलना क्यों छोड़ दिया, तो उन्होंने कहा एक दिन मैं मैच खेल रही थी और मुझे हवाई जहाज की आवाज़ सुनाई दी, तो उस दिन मुझे लगा कि अब मुझे टेनिस खेलना बंद करना चाहिए. So it's a feeling in you, which I think when that happens to me, I would respect that.
Here's hoping Amir doesn't hear his Hawaii Jahaz anytime soon because we just can't get enough of him. That's it for the press conference, but before we sign off, we'd like to wish the entire team of PK best of luck and want to see you at the movie theater.